Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show to you how to change prices on Shopify. So the first step is to simply go to products, and after that you have to simply choose what product you want to change the price for, and then you'll have to simply scroll down, and then you'll have to simply go to prices. So as you can see here, I don't have any, so I'll have to create a new product just to show you this example. Then as you can see you have pricing, so I'm gonna price it at $10. Let's save it. And now let's go back. So let's go back to products, and then you're gonna see something similar to this. So you have to simply click on your product and scroll down to pricing, and then change the price to whatever you want. And then here you can basically you can see here the cost per item, profit, and the margin. So let's say, as you can see, so that if the item costs like $2 and you are selling it for 6, you're gonna make this profit, and this is the profit margin. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.